Hey, it's Kilobite here. In this video, we're going to install the third brake light flash kit from MX-5 Things. And what you will receive is the harness. And mine I got with the accelerometer so that it only will flash when I apply the brakes, and it is doing 0.3 Gs or more. So just hitting the brakes, slowing down at a normal amount, it's not going to flash. But if I have to get on it a little bit so that it's hits at least 0.3 Gs, it's going to flash like 3 times quick, and we'll see if we can show it at the end. And it comes with a zip tie. You will notice the top is up, part way up, so you'll want to do that as step 1, because let's see if we can slide under here, right there, right here. If I can get the camera to focus on that. That is the harness for your third brake light. So we are going to unplug that and plug this new one in between there. The old harness has the clips, as you can see here, hopefully, if it'll focus. What I did was took a needle nose plier and squeezed this, and that allowed it to just pop out. And as you can see here, it's now hanging down. So what I'm going to do is the new one I'm going to plug into the hole, and then there is the accelerometer has a piece of Velcro here. I'm going to clean a spot and Velcro it in a location so that it does not interfere with the mechanism when the roof goes up and down. The accelerometer is stuck in that location, just above and to the inside of the plug. The new harness is actually attached to where the old harness was, and it is now hanging down. Next step will be to plug this wire into here, and then I will zip tie the other end of the new harness up and plug in the front part of the old harness. Yeah, I'll show you when it's done. And there it is. You can hopefully see this and see how I did it. Hopefully everything is out of the way. I will trim that zip tie end once I have verified that it closes properly and everything works, but it should be good. You can get to it this side. This is actually the side I worked from. Might show it a little better. There you go with it closed and the zip tie clipped. This is looking on the side between the seat and the door. Just turn around and look back. But there you go. You can actually see what it looks like when it's down, and you actually got a good amount of room down there. So now let's see how it actually looks in operation. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.